boy, that's no way to make a plane. That'll never, I say that'll never fly. There's something going on around here that just don't add up.
Hey adventurers!
So today we're going
to.
So today.
Hey adventurers! So
today we're my gosh! Stop it!
Hey adventurers!
Hey adventurers! So today we're going to go up to, what's it called?
South Mountain in Phoenix.
To look at the big antennas. That's not the only reason we're going, but I'll get to that later. So we're just going to go up there. We're going to drive up there, look around for a bit. I've personally never been up there. Dad, have you been up there before?
Several times. We actually made some airplanes, some paper airplanes, and our challenge is we're each going to fly 3 paper airplanes off of South Mountain and see how far they go. Each airplane has our name, and it tells a little thing about that we made them to fly off of South Mountain.
It has our P.O. box, so if anyone ever finds them, they can mail them back to us.
I thought I was talking, but anyway, that's the challenge today, is to see who could fly one the farthest.
We each made 3 paper airplanes, and we both have them in different styles. I actually named mine, so it's the the SS Tiny, the Woo Woo, and the Falcon.
I didn't name mine because I'm not as cool as he is.
Yeah, you did. It was just 1, 2, 3. Very lame names.
Yeah. So, something else that we forgot to say is Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! This is our first video.
This is our first video
of 2020.
Alright. So, sorry we didn't make one in January, but we took a little bit of time off to enjoy the new year and all that stuff. So,
and you may have noticed our new intro.
So, yeah, I hope you liked it. So, anyway, this is our first adventure. Hope you enjoy it. Dallas got a little bit sick on the way up here. Alright, adventurers, this is where we're going to throw from. If you see behind me, that is the city of Phoenix, the Metro Valley. Oh, I thought I could do the head, sorry.
I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a plane out there.
If you want to get out of the road a little bit.
Yeah.
Alright. So we're going to throw that way. See how far they go. So let's get them and throw them.
Okay.
You ready?
Okay, so Dad, wait, are you recording?
No.
Okay, so let's
Recording.
get. Okay, hey guys, this is the.
Let her rip.
This is the Falcon.
There's a car coming, so let her rip.
Hey guys. SS Tiny. Go Tiny. That was really. Oh, it's in the bush. This is the Woo Woo. Not windy. No Woo Woo. Wow.
You threw it straight down.
What number is it?
Don't know? Don't care. Hey, you stay by the car, get out of the road.
Don't throw it yet.
On the ground.
What?
Yours are like right there on the ground.
I know.
And they didn't go very far. All three of mine at the same time.
No.
All three at the same time.
Go.
Did you just walk out in front of that vehicle? All right, so this was a dud because they're all stuck. And I think the winner is right there in the bushes.
That's me. Mine
All right, so that was a little bit of a bust. I thought the wind was a little bit better than that, and I thought our location was a little bit better than that. But we had fun. We got to come all the way up here. And the important thing is we got out of the house and we had a little adventure and we got outside and we had some fun together. And that's what it's all about. The view was amazing.
Yeah.
You could see all the way to Maricopa where we live. You could see all of Phoenix. It was just an amazing place to look out.
Sometimes the videos don't look as good as they do in real life. So we definitely recommend you guys to come up here yourselves and check it out.
Yeah, if you ever if you're from the valley, the Phoenix area, or if you're ever visiting here, come to South Mountain. Come check out this area. Very, very pretty, very cool.
And
I wouldn't recommend it in the summertime because it'd be really, really warm. Also known as extremely hot to most people, but we call it warm because we're tougher than most people here in Arizona. Anyway, but again, just like every time we have an adventure, we just want you to get out of the house and do something, have some fun together. All right, there's the top of the hill where we were at the top of the mountain, South Mountain.
Febreze.
Okay, this isn't smell-o-vision. You can say Febreze all you want. They don't know what they can't smell that. All right, so we made it all the way down, and you didn't get sick.
Not acid.
Yeah, on the way up, you got a little sick, huh? Because the road was kind of windy. All right, let's go this way. Your hair looks great, by the way. Wasn't that funny? All those kids are laughing. So, I have to pee, like really bad. So we're going over here to the
This
bathroom.
bathroom.
Yeah, wasn't much of an adventure, but I think we had a lot of fun going up to South Mountain.